Hello, I'm sorry that I can't be with you in person to exchange together on this increasingly important topic of mental health. It is clear to all of us, I think, that volunteers can give a huge support to combat mental health problems. And on behalf of the CEV network, and especially the Secretariat in Brussels, I confirm our commitment to addressing this crucial issue in the coming months and years. Volunteers have played a key role in reducing isolation, in particular during the lockdown throughout the COVID-19 pandemic. In addition, through advocacy efforts, volunteers are at the forefront of reaching a greater understanding of the benefits of good mental health during the pandemic recovery phase, the cost of living crisis, and the general state of increased tension that we are all feeling. Volunteers are ideally placed to reconnect citizens, to get them to open up emotionally to each other in order to normalize their feelings, and to understand that the problem of an individual is a problem of the whole community. As director of CEV, I am very lucky and privileged to have the opportunity to spend time with and speak to volunteers all across Europe. Through these experiences, it is clear to me that all volunteering contributes in some way to combating loneliness and improving mental health. Common replies to the question, why do you volunteer, are to make friends or to connect with others, because it makes me feel better, more useful and relevant. This impact, however, can be magnified even further when a specific volunteer program has improved community mental health at its heart. There are many wonderful examples across Europe. Just last month, I was at the National Spanish volunteering event and heard from a volunteer-led project centered on the arts, music, theatre, drama and poetry, involving very marginalized people, including ex-prisoners, rough sleepers and addicts. There were powerful stories of people struggling with their mental health, re-engaging with society and finding strength and purpose in life through self-expression in art with the support of dedicated volunteers. What was also inspiring to see was the increasingly blurred lines between the volunteers and the beneficiaries, the helped and the helpers. It was clear that collectively the mental health of all was being improved through a common shared endeavour to find beauty and hope through art. Community initiatives to improve mental health are essential in these increasingly challenging times when we are witness to conflict, division and struggles all around. Including a volunteering element in these initiatives brings an even bigger value. When volunteers are involved, even more hope is inspired through the knowledge that people are there because they want to be, not because they are paid to be. Beneficiary-led and user-led initiatives are also especially effective and powerful. I hope that through the presentations, conversations and discussions taking place during your conference, that the knowledge and understanding on this important topic will be further expanded and deepened. I look forward to receiving the results. With the support offered by the Citizens' Equality, Rights and Values Fund of the EU, we will play our part in sharing them across Europe so that the power of volunteering, expressing EU values and improving mental health can be even further expanded.